The family of the victims killed in a car crash on the Bronx River Parkway is filing claims against the city of New York and the state. Their lawyer claims officials ignored years of concerns about safety hazards on the highway. They say the roadway's conditions definitely may have played a role in the crash. And our Amy Yency joins us now. She sat down with the family's attorney. It's the first time that we are hearing from this guy, right, Amy?
Yes, it is. Matt, the lawyer told me he's representing 5 of the victims of that deadly car crash.
Okay.
And he says this is the first step in the legal process, but he expects that it will go to trial and that a Bronx jury will have to decide if the city or state could have prevented this deadly car crash.
Okay.
All 7 people died when the SUV they were traveling in careened off the Bronx River Parkway on April 29th. This animation of the accident shows the SUV driven by Maria Gonzalez hit the center median, veered across 3 lanes and went over the guardrail. Those rails were replaced with higher ones shortly after the accident, but the attorney for the victims claimed that the city and state officials ignored calls by independent engineers to correct safety hazards like the lack of shoulders, high curves, and low guardrails. But the attorney representing Juan Rosario, the husband and father of 3 of the victims, as well as the 2 grandparents who died in the crash, said while no money can bring them back, his client wants justice.
They want to make sure that the city and state are responsible and take responsibility for the egregious oversight in this area, which required the death of 7 people before they finally actually fixed the condition that anyone who's driven on the Bronx River Parkway knows, just by mere common sense, that that was a dangerous roadway.
The city's law department told us in a statement that, quote, "We will review the notice of claim against the city. It goes without saying that April's accident was very tragic. Our sympathies are with the family. We are still waiting for a response from the state." But the family's attorney says if the city does not respond with a resolution to the claim within the 60-day time frame, then he will file a lawsuit against the city. And Matt, relatives of the driver, Maria Gonzalez, will file a separate claim later this week.
Absolutely. All right, we'll have more on that. And of course, a claim, as you said, is the first step to a lawsuit and
a long
pending lawsuits.
process.
Absolutely. All right, Amy Yency, thank you very much for that.